world is about learning and doing, from looking at a plane where you first learn and then do. It's basically learn, do sort of a thing. They go simultaneously. So that is basically being inbuilt into the curriculums and courses and even short duration programs, etc. So very strong linkage between the people in the field and the academia is something which is envisaged. As a university, digital university has a very key feature that not only that it works on areas and themes which are relevant to the digital theme, it also looks at more of action-oriented learning, where rather than theoretical constructs in a classroom setting, it has actually been taught through projects and practices in the field. And even the revenue model of the university envisaged close to around 60% coming from the projects rather than from the fees or government grants per se. So in all these areas, the startup linkages will be very, very crucial.
The Digital University in Technocity Thiruvananthapuram is Kerala's launchpad for the era of knowledge economy. While inaugurating the university, Kerala Governor Arif Muhammad Khan said that the state will be the world's best hub in digital learning. With this, Kerala will be home to the first ever digital university in India.
This digital university is primarily looking at the problems, the talent requirement and the issues related to a digital world. Because we know that the world is moved from an industrial world to a digital or a knowledge economy world, which actually brought in several changes in the whole economic and social structure. So we have seen that social media is making a lot of impact on the way we live. Many technology tools are creating a way we live. A lot of sharing happens between people from different places. People who produce can actually immediately have channels where they can actually reach out to the customers. YouTube being one of the classic examples. You have seen new jobs getting created. Now you have also seen platforms like Amazon or Uber actually getting into a new economic model. So all these are the things which is happening around us, and there is a need for enhancement of technology. The substantial amount of research and development to develop knowledge products is required. The second thing is you also need to study the humanities and sociology part of this whole work, and also to look at applications in various sections of society. So Digital University primarily looks at that.
The Digital University became a reality, upgrading the Indian Institute of Information Technology and Management, Kerala, IIIT-MK, which aims to make Kerala a global benchmark in digital technology management. The digital campus of Kerala, with multifaceted goals, intends to develop new technology-based products and study changes in a technology-based society.
So we look at as of now, the structure of the university is working through 5 schools. One of the schools is primarily focusing on the digital technology part of it, the computer science and engineering part of it. That's the software side of it. And the other side of it is on the hardware side of it, which is basically we have an electronic systems and automation school. Now these two primarily provide a theoretical and application base in these 2 areas, but then we have a informatics school which looks at application of this in various functional domains. So you have agri-informatics, health informatics, where the data is basically getting looked at in a very close manner. Then you have a school of digital sciences which looks at how the digital technology is actually getting into the general basic science field per se, because today we know drug discovery happens through a computational medium, material discovery happens through a computational medium. Even the recent Nobel prize in biology came for gene editing, and which has a strong digital part of it. So digital technology is getting into the natural sciences, and it always was there, but it is actually enhancing, because digital world is all about convergence of digital, biological and physical worlds. So that is basically digital sciences school we look at. And as I said some time back, there is a substantive change in the sociological aspects which is happening around us. The economic aspects, sociology aspects, and the way people live, people communicate, the people work on the economy, all those things are getting changed. So those aspects of it, the humanities and liberal arts part of it on the digital world. So we have a school of digital humanities and liberal arts which primarily studies those aspects also.
Besides grants and fees, the Digital University, with a unique approach, would try to source the major chunk of revenue from its projects. The university will become a breeding ground for startups and ideas. It will offer cutting-edge courses and research facilities in new technology segments such as AI, blockchain and data science.
Courses are being developed for the new learner in perspective, where the learner will have a much more holistic learning, and they may actually have multiple fields of learning, multiple points where they may actually source the learning. All these things has been taken into account, and that's the way the courses and curriculum has actually been developed. So we have a range of postgraduate programs which primarily look at helping people to get into the knowledge economy as producers of knowledge, and PhD programs. And then we also have certificate and e-learning programs. We don't have an undergrad program as of now. We are primarily looking at a relearning e-certificate program which is primarily focusing on a quick skill updation and the large number of people with skill requirement which is needed for the Industry 4.0. So that is one side. The second is creation of the knowledge is another area where we are looking at. And then application front, the university looks at how do we become a catalyst for the digital transformation, how do we drive innovation and entrepreneurship in the ecosystem, how do we link startups with bright ideas to people who require such ideas to reinvent their businesses and the vocations. So that is primarily been brief what Digital University is trying to do.
The university will become a breeding ground for startups and ideas. It will offer cutting-edge courses and research facilities in new technology segments such as AI, blockchain and data science.